The economical and compact semi-automatic capsule filling machine for oil liquid. It is designed based on the semi-automatic powder and granule semi-automatic capsule filling machine. If you want to develop the oil liquid capsule, it will be a good choice for you to start with. Machine working procedure. First, put the empty capsules into the tray, then separate the capsules. The next step is the liquid feeder to inject the liquid medicine into the capsules through the control of the peristaltic pump, and then seal the upper and lower shells of the capsules. Depending on the size of the capsules, 300 to 420 capsules can be produced at one time, and it is expected to produce less than 2 to 30,000 capsules in an hour. This machine can be used for filling liquids as well as powders, granules into capsules. Compared with the price of tens of thousands of dollars for a fully automatic capsule filling machine, this semi-automatic machine not only has more functions, but also costs only a few $1,000s, which is more suitable for factories with insufficient funds and some developing countries.